and this video will show you how to fix can't start game or app error on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix it. So the first and simplest step is to just restart your console. Press the PlayStation button, go to the power icon and select Restart PS5. A simple restart can often clear up temporary glitches that causes this error. Make sure your console software is up to date. Go to settings on the top right and then select System and System Software. Select System Software Update in Settings and try to update your console to the latest version. Next, check the game itself if it's up to date. From your home screen, highlight the game that's causing the error, press the Options button on your controller, and from the menu, select Check for Update and try to update the game. Now, this error is often caused also by license issue, so the next step is to restore them. Go to the settings again on the top right, and then select Users and Account, and on the other tab, choose Restore Licenses. Select your games and click Restore. This will quickly resync your game licenses and can often fix the error immediately. You can try rebuilding the database. First, turn off your PS5 completely and then press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear the second beep to enter save mode. And from the save mode, select option 6, clear cache and rebuild database, and then choose rebuild database.